your own with Medina. No, I'm here to help you. Obviously, no, if you need something, you can tell me that maybe I can do something. Pour faire du vin, parce que nous sommes en train de traverser une des régions avec appellation d'origine dans le vin. Now in English. I forgot what. No. I was saying that you can see the coast there, no? And the coast now is far away from here, and it's where we have the biggest touristic concentration. But here we are in the middle area, no? I told you. And here is where you can see the different village with different activities of agriculture. Life is another thing here, okay? It's quieter, the weather is softer, and well, the agriculture is, we have different products. Many products. Our weather is really good for that, but it's true that nowadays the most important products are the bananas, plátano de Canarias, the avocados, and the grapes to make wine. We have a very long tradition making wine, okay? But it's true also that our orography, you can see many mountains everywhere, volcanoes everywhere, lava everywhere, ravines everywhere, okay? Yes, so we must prepare the land, making a kind of a steps that we call terrazas. We must use different techniques to preserve the humidity. Here we have not enough water, okay? And then it's a kind of artisanal work, because it's not possible to put a machine in many cases to make the job, because we have no this big flat extension, okay? So it's hard. And then, you know, the policies to commercialize the products are not so interesting, okay? But well, the people still work with that, gracias a Dios. And well, during the way you will see many places with that, with the agriculture, but mostly of grapes, because we are passing through one of these places, these areas with a quality mention in the wines in the island, these 5 areas with a quality mention. Today it's possible to see La Gomera Island. Nous pouvons regarder aujourd'hui l'île de La Gomera là-bas. Je pense qu'il va être possible de regarder plus île. To grow the plants, and for that it's possible to make an ecological wine. Many places here have the certification, but other places don't have the certification because they need something that they need. And I think that is the future, maybe it's normal in other places, but here is still something really new. For that I love this place. And the wine is really good also. Yes, j'ai dit que nous sommes en train de passer à côté de différents caves de vin, d'accord, de très bonne qualité. I must say that I love this place. It's one of my favorite places. If I'll be rich one day, I will buy a piece of land here. Yes, and in the Pyrenees mountains. dramatic. It was really big in the middle of the summer, too hot, too windy, too sad. We lost a very, very big area of pine forest, and that is really sad, not only because the landscape and the animals, that also, but mostly because to have the forest on farm here is really important for our ecology. Here in Canary Island doesn't rain too much. It rains only a few days each year, you know, Holy Week, Carnival, Christmas. So the way to have water is because of the rain, yes, but because something that we call horizontal rain. When the winds come here taking the humidity from the sea and they find the mountains become clouds. When these clouds touch the cold surface of the leaves of the trees, become water. That is the water that fell down to the floor and the water that we have. So if we have not the forest on farm, we lost this water. We are now in the Teide National Park. Okay, we are over the 2,000 meters, and in a few groups we will be immersed in the deep park. I say that because the deep park consists in a very big volcanic depression with 19,000 hectares and 16 kilometers of diameter. And this depression, this big depression, is surrounded by walls that can be 700 meters sometimes. But the thing is that these walls are the debris of the slopes of another volcano bigger than the Teide, almost 5,000 meters, which existed many years before the Teide. But the heavy of the volcanic material over the slopes was so big that there was a very big collapse and a very big movement of all this material to the north of the island. It forming the Rotana Valley in the north, and here only rest this volcanic depression that is the park nowadays, where the volcanic activity continued and step by step the Teide was born. That is the place that we are visiting today. Et en français, nous sommes à l'élément 3. Nous sommes déjà ici au parc national de Teide sur les 2000 mètres et après de quelques virages, nous allons être dans cette grande chaudière volcanique qui est le parc. Une grande chaudière volcanique, une grande dépression volcanique avec 19 000 hectares, 16 km de diamètre. Entourée de murs avec 700 mètres dans certains points. Et cette murs, ils sont les restes du pain de notre volcan plus grand que Teide, presque les 5000 mètres qu'il y a eu ici avant de Teide. Mais le poids sur les pins était si grand qu'il y a un grand effondrement et glissement du matériel volcanique vers le nord de l'île. Il a formé les vallées de la Rotava au nord de l'île, et ici il ne restait que cette grande chaudière qui c'est le parc aujourd'hui où l'activité volcanique a continué et petit à petit l'été dernier. Plus grand à l'Europe non, à l'Espagne, le troisième volcan plus grand au monde, après Mauna Kea et Mauna Loa à Hawaï, 3718 mètres, encore en activité. The Teide volcano, the biggest mountain in Spain, the third biggest volcano in the world, after Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa in Hawaii, 3,718 meters, still in activity. Be careful with that. And here to the right, you have these walls, no, that are the debris of the slopes of this ancient volcano. So you can imagine how big it was if these are the debris of the slopes, no? Je dis qu'ici à droite, vous avez les murs qui sont les restes du pain de cet volcan qu'il y a eu ici avant de Teide. Donc vous pouvez imaginer combien grand il était si ce que nous avons ici sont les restes du pain. Mais si vous regardez une autre fois le volcan de Teide, vous pouvez regarder deux choses intéressantes. Par exemple, vous avez là-bas presque le top du volcan un petit triangle de couleur claire, non? N'est pas la neige. Quelques personnes me demandent, ah, ça c'est la neige? Non. Nous avons la neige ici, d'accord, mais seulement à l'hiver, d'accord? Et quelques jours, c'est possible avoir la neige même dans la forêt de pin, d'accord? Mais n'est pas la neige. C'est un type de matériel volcanique acide, salique, qui s'éclaire, et nous l'appelons la crevette de Teide, d'accord? I was saying that we can see two things interesting, no? Two interesting things maybe for you in the Teide. For example, you can see a kind of white triangle near to the top. Okay, that is not a snow, because some people ask me, that is snow. No, it's not snow. We have snow only in winter. Okay, sometimes too much, another years only a few snow, but that is not the snow. It's a kind of acid lava that is clear, and we call that triangle the tide of the Teide. And next to this triangle, we have a very big river of black lava. Can you see this river of black lava? Can you see it? Well, that is the result of the last eruption in the Teide, 1,000 and almost 200 years ago. And in that moment was when the Teide raised the altitude that it is nowadays. Okay? Before that, it was smaller. It was only 3,500 meters. The same as you have in that house that you can see near to the top, where you will stop with the cable car today. Yes, later. Je dis que si vous regardez au volcan, à côté
Y la gente muerta por ahí. Cuando se cayó la cesta por abajo.
El pájaro así como planea.
Mira.
Eso era una águila. ¿Era Villa Rodrigo?
Hasta aquí han llegado,
No ponía los cables primero y con el helicóptero. Esto no lo cambian, porque una vez se rompe y ya lo cambian. Sí. Lo metes y le impulsos en todos lados.
Lo revisan, pero hay caído algo de
Le palma uno
Exactamente.
y lo pasa entero. Nosotros hacemos eso. Suelta eso. Y así pasa por el sitio estrecho y puede pasar.
¿Estás mareando?
¿Quién se marea? Esto lo mantienen bien, hombre. Para los meterles para lo que vale.
Con lo que vale ya puedes mantenerlo.
Cuando se fastidia es cuando van muy rápido. O tiene alguna fricción de enganchón.
Ah, bueno, pero todo. Subir arriba y
Todo esto es
¿Es
volcánico.
gratis? Eso lo saqué hace meses.
Esto es volcánico.
que hay es muchas piedras atadas con cables de estas que están sin
Mira, mira, porque el cable hace su tirori.
Si ves alguna piedra de ese poco pones de esas las atan con cables.
El elevador que tenía allí era bueno hasta que subí la rebelde. Ja, maar even gaan
Estas piedras enormes
Mira la piedra como las atan, ¿eh?
Estas piedras volcánicas sí que son enormes. Entonces todo volcánico es enorme.
La rebelde le probó las fuerzas al elevador.
Se la ganó.
¿Cuántos días que han venido se va?
Mañana vamos a un partido. La subimos, tu madre.
Nos falta uno.
There is one that got this magnet.
Sorry.
Con licor, ¿verdad? Digo,
Leaf to the left is amazing, the green color, and when we have rain, when it's raining, it's greener. But the crystal of the bus is not so green, but believe me, it's green. Ici, cette Europe ici, c'est fantastique. Bueno, see the landscape here now to the right, but can you imagine a forest here? There was a forest here. 2,000 years ago, there was a forest. Was the last, the last thing that the scientific have shown us. Okay, 2,000 years ago, there was a forest of cedars here. Yes. But the first inhabitant of the island, Los Ranches, they worked with goats, so to make the job easier, they burned and cut all the trees, so they finished it with the forest. But the good news is that the forest is approaches to be recovered. So maybe the next time you come here, we have a forest of cedars. Ojalá, Inch'Allah. Oui, je dis que les scientifiques ont regardé, on peut lire un article. Well, now we will stop in another place where we can see where we have the last eruption in the park. Okay, To the right, you can see the Teide volcano, and next to the Teide volcano, we have another volcano, Pico Viejo. The last eruption was there, in the second highest point in the island, 3,000 and almost 200 meters. But the eruption, it wasn't in the crater of the top of the volcano, it was in the slope. In 1798, okay? In 1798, several holes have opened and the lava flowed during almost 3 months, and it's all this black lava that you can start to see from here. You will see better in the place where we will stop. Je dis que nous allons faire une arrêt, notre prochain arrêt, dans un endroit où nous pouvons regarder où nous avions la dernière option ici au Parc National. Et là-bas, si vous regardez à droite, vous pouvez regarder le volcan de Pico Viejo à côté de Teide. Le deuxième point plus haut ici à l'île, d'accord, 3000 et presque les 200 mètres. Bien, la dernière option au Parc National était là-bas, d'accord. I love this volcano. Maybe, yes, I prefer this volcano than the Teide volcano. I don't know why, but maybe it's, don't know why, but the crater is perfect, the mountain is beautiful. Well, we will stop here, okay? C'était voir déclaré patrimoine mondial de l'UNESCO pour toutes les valeurs biologiques, géologiques et ethnographiques que nous avons ici. D'accord? Toujours un endroit spécial pour les habitants ici. Même pour les premiers habitants à l'île. Vous avez lire quelque chose sur le Teide National Exposition? The first habitant of the island, no? Los Guanches. These people that were bears, no? That arrived 2,000 years ago from the north of Africa. Nobody knows very well how they did it. We have different theories, but we can spend 3 days speaking about this. So, but they did it, and they arrived here with goats, with pigs, with dogs, and with some seeds to make a little agriculture. These people were really interesting, with a very interesting cosmogony, okay? They knew very well the stars, they knew very well the medicine, they mummified their dead, okay? And well, they were the principal culture until the Spanish conquest, no? In the 15th century. And they divided the island in different kingdoms. But the place of Las Cañadas was a sacred place, shared between everybody. And yes, no, there is a legend, and it's true, no, that in which they thought that the demon that they call Guayota lived inside of the volcano. But it's not so strange, no? In that moment, in that time, the volcano was really active. So you can imagine a mountain, no, expulsing smoke, volcanics, fire. No, why not to think that there is a demon inside, you know? But the lion says that it's still there waiting for a new moment to explode. Not today.